Hey you guys, today's recipe is New Year's black eyed peas. Alright, so we're going to need, of course, some black eyed peas. You're going to need 2 frozen bags, some smoked turkey necks. Y'all know I love that flavor. Also some chopped onion and then diced. And then we're going to have Cajun seasoning, onion powder, and of course some minced garlic. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put these smoked turkey necks in this pot. And we're going to add some water into the pot, and we're going to keep adding until the smoked turkey necks are covered. And so once you get them boiling like this, then you can go ahead and place the top on there. The little excess, it'll go off to the side so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, so once they're done, they're fork tender, you can go ahead and set them to the side, and we're going to put some olive oil in here, and we're going to get to frying our onion. Okay, so you want to fry it until it is translucent, maybe turns a little brown, but you definitely don't want to get them really brown. You just want to make sure that they're not raw for when you get ready to go ahead and add your peas in here. Okay, so you just want to let them cook. You want to go ahead and stir occasionally, and then when they get about like here, then you want to go ahead and add your minced garlic into your pan or pot or whatever you're using to cook your peas in. Okay, so you want to mix that around. You don't want to cook your garlic any more than like 30 seconds or so, because it'll burn quickly. Alright, so once you've done that, you can go ahead and add your peas into your your pan. Let's say your pan. Okay, so add your peas in there, and then go ahead and add your seasonings. Alright, you can give it a stir, or you cannot, because we're getting ready to go ahead and add our smoked turkey necks into our pan. So you just plate those in there, and then you want to use all that liquid from your smoked turkey necks. Now, if you're thinking there may be too much liquid for you, you can go ahead and add a little bit at a time. Of course, as the peas cook, they'll soak up that water, because they'll cook for about 40-ish, 45 minutes or so. So you just want to place the water in there, place the top on there, let them cook and simmer and everything. This was about halfway through. They weren't done. And once they become softened, you can also, do a little taste test before you take them off. So when they get about like here, they were done, but you want to be careful with cooking all the liquid out of your peas. That's why I left this much liquid in there, because as they sit, the peas will continue to soak up the liquid. You see here, I'm pouring it. I didn't pour off any of that liquid, and you see it's not as much liquid as you saw in just a second ago. But this is enough for me. If you want your peas a little more soupy, I guess you can say, you can definitely add more water before you take them off the heat and adjust your seasonings as needed. So I'm just going to sprinkle these with parsley just for a little color, and yeah, we're done. Some black eyed peas, y'all. Have a wonderful, happy new year. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget your cornbread, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you.